Dear valued ERS client, the following is a guide on how to file your corporate income tax return using TaxEase. Sign in on TaxEase using your login credentials. Select the TIN you are filing for. Click OK. Go to Menu. Under Tax Form, select Corporate Income Tax. Click on Browse to upload your financial statements. Ensure you set your machine on all files in order to access all file formats. Retrieve your financial statements. Click Upload. Choose the period end date you are filing for. In order to move on to the next section, click on Next. Refer to your financial statements in order to capture the figures in your tax return. Just keep capturing the figures as per shown in your financial statements. The system will display the total assets. Go to Equity and Liabilities, if any, as shown in your financial statements. Keep capturing the relevant figures. For other reserves, please click on Add, capture full description, and the relevant amount. Click on Save in order to upload the record. The system will display the record. Move on to the next section. Continue to refer to your financial statements in order to be guided on which figures to capture on which lines. The system will display the totals again. Just click on Next in order to move on to the next section. We are now on Income Statement section. Keep referring to your financial statements in order to capture correct amounts. Go ahead and capture the relevant figures in your return. Now we are under Expenditure section. The system has provided you an option to upload schedules. First, download a schedule. Provide the relevant information in your schedule. Go ahead and save your schedule in your machine. Ensure you save your schedule in a place where it will be easy for you to retrieve, as well as using the item line from your return so that it will be easy for you to identify your schedule when you now need to retrieve and come back to TaxEase and upload. Just go ahead and save your schedule. Click on Browse to retrieve your schedule. Click on your schedule and upload. Click on Upload again. The record will display in your return accordingly. Move on to the next item, consulting fees. Download another schedule relevant to this line. Open your schedule in order for you to provide details. Enable editing. Capture relevant details in your schedule. Again, save your schedule in a place where it will be easy for you to retrieve. Remember to save your schedule using the item line so that it will be easy for you to identify your schedule when you now need to retrieve and upload in TaxEase. Go ahead and save your schedule. Click on Browse to retrieve your schedule. Click on your schedule. Upload your schedule in TaxEase. The record will display in your return accordingly. Again, under management fees, you have another schedule provided specifically for this line. Please download your schedule. Enable editing. Complete your schedule with the relevant details. Please save your schedule. Go ahead and save your schedule. Click on Browse to access your schedule. Retrieve your schedule. Upload. Confirm it's the correct schedule for this line and go ahead and upload. The record will display on the return accordingly. Continue to complete your return and keep referring to your financial statements. Provide as much expenditure items as shown in your financial statements. For the expenditure line Other, please download a schedule relevant to this line in order for you to provide more details. Download a clean schedule. Enable editing. Please complete your schedule with the relevant details. Go ahead and save your schedule. Remember to save your schedule using the item line shown in your return so that it will be easy for you to come back and retrieve whenever you need to upload your schedule. Click on Browse to access your schedule. Click the relevant schedule, upload. Go ahead and upload. And the record will display in your schedule and as well as in your return accordingly. The system will display the relevant totals. Please click on Next in order to move on to the next section. If there are no items or figures to capture in any of the sections, just feel free to go ahead and click on Next to move on to the next section. Remember, you will be capturing all the figures in relation to what you already have in your financial statements. Move on to the next section by clicking Next. As you are capturing the relevant figures, note that the system keeps on adding and popping up the totals accordingly. In this section, the system has already calculated your tax assessed. Click on Next to move on to the next section. Go ahead and capture provisional tax first installment. Capture provisional tax second installment. The system will calculate total provisional tax paid, as well as tax payable or refund. Click on Check Form. Go ahead and click on the consent box as well as submit button in order for you to submit your return. Congratulations, you've submitted your return. Please go ahead and make the relevant payments. Thank you.